Hello, my name is Rudolf Hemmetsberger. I'm 30 years old and I started as an operations and performance engineer 1st of March here at WindLandKraft. We are an energy utility in Austria, very close to Vienna. We have 20 wind turbines with a little bit more than 60 megawatts of installed capacity. Well, the day starts pretty early, because it's also my duty to coordinate the service teams. So they will call me around 6 or 6:30 in the morning, and just to check in and what they will do. So that's where I usually start to use BaxEnergy, ESP, to see in real time what's going on with the wind turbines, if there's any problem, or if they are producing not enough according to the wind. Yeah, and I would also check the downtime events, all the registered planned downtime events. Come to the office, do several things, but there's always an open tab with the ESP to see and get the notification if something is changing, something is happening. And usually I would use the dashboard function to get a quick overview over the last week or month, if everything is all right, if there's an underperformance. So yeah, that's besides all the writing, email writing, that's what I mainly do. I would say the long-term development is heading. But of course, I mean, if we would also like to optimize our wind farm layout, so using software tools, and then we would have to check the modeling with the existing wind farm to see how well the model works in order to get the confidence to use it for the planning of new layouts. So that's where all the analysis functions from ESP come in very handy. It's a bit difficult to supervise the wind turbines always, like all the time, and to notice every change in the performance. And sometimes we had, a few months ago, we had for a reason underperformance and didn't notice right away. So we had quite some times where it underperformed, although there was no real error or problem. And yeah, with the real-time view, the alarm view, now I would notice it right away. Usually we would use the different SCADA systems to get, for example, the data for reports, and then we would do the reports by our own. But with BaxEnergy, I can do it like with 1 or 2 clicks and get the report, get the necessary information. It's really handy to do it with a few clicks and get all the important information. The service is pretty good. Customer service manager is really eager to help us with everything. So I'm quite satisfied.